Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit routes after saving in Strava. So actually Strava is a popular social fitness platform designed for athletes to track, analyze and share their physical activities. And this app also you can get it from a store, a Play Store or App Store. It depends on which phone system or device that you have. Anyways, I will show you in both in the mobile phone and also in your computer. If you are a computer Strava user. Anyways, let's get into our app, and right here, as you can see, will be directly forwarded into the home page. But I want you to go into Maps right here in the bottom. All right, it's one option of these five options. All right, so once you tap on the app option, you will see some routes right here. For example, you have that route. All right, and you want to edit it or to change it into another route. So what I want you to do is just to zoom in, and then you can tap on another routes like that, and yeah, you edited the routes and also you changed it. All right, so this is the solution, or this is how to edit routes after saving in Strava. For the laptop or the computer, you just need to go into the Strava platform by using your, of course, your favorite browser. And yeah, and I just want you to make sure that you're already signed in. And after that, I just want you to head over into the dashboard right here. And after that, I just want to go into my routes. Alright, so once you click on my routes, all your saved routes will appear right here, and you just need to and you just need to go into that route that you wish to edit, and then you will have some points right here, 3 points actually, and you just need to click on that 3 points, and then you will just go into edit. Anyways, that's it. This is the solution in boats. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.